61A, lecture number 17. Announcements. Homework 3 is due on Thursday. You can revise your HOG project to earn back any lost composition points by Friday. Here's a link to a Piazza post about exactly how to do that. And the key part is that you submit by typing Python 3 OK -- revise from your HOG directory after you've made whatever changes you want. Please attend a discussion orientation before your tutorial. I understand that many people have been coming to tutorial without going to a discussion orientation first. Tutorials are designed to follow up on what happens in discussion orientation. So if you don't go to the orientation, you won't really be able to participate in the tutorial, and you'll lose out on that learning experience. If you look at the course schedule, we have a midterm coming up in a few weeks. Midterm 2 is scheduled for Wednesday the 28th, which is 3 weeks from tomorrow. And the course staff has put together a study guide that gives you some advice about how to prepare, not just the day before or the day of, but in the weeks before an exam. This study guide is mostly about how to master the material. And notice that an important component is to actually watch the lecture. So you're doing the right thing now. Finish this lecture and then take a look at the study guide, and I hope that it helps you. Finally, we will be holding advising office hours on Friday, in addition to the regular office hours to help you with lab and homework. Since there's nothing due on Friday, we'll just hold these on the regular office hour queue. So if you'd like to talk to an experienced staff member about anything related to the course or Berkeley in general, come drop by on Friday, and they'd be happy to talk to you then.